Hello, this is lesson 4C, fractions on a calculator. Today, you should only need your notebook to do a couple practice problems on. And if you're interested in taking any notes, that would be up to you, but mostly it's just for the practice problems at the end. So, today, the objective for today is students will be able to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions using a calculator. So remember, fractions are pretty much just division. You have the numerator, which is the top number, the denominator, which is the bottom number. So the top number would be 5, the numerator, 9 would be the denominator. So a little review on fractions. Fractions represent parts of a whole, okay? So if you're eating a half of pizza, and you're eating half of it, that's 1/2, that's a fraction. The numerator represents the number of parts we have. So if the number is 2/5, 2 is how many I have. I ate out of the 5 pieces of pizza. So the denominator represents the total number of equal parts in the whole, which is the bottom number. To add or subtract fractions, we always had to find like denominators. And it's there's a lot of different strategies for that, but it is more cumbersome and it takes a little bit more time. So today I just want to make sure that you know how to do fractions on a calculator. So in this calculator that we have, the Texas Instrument T130X, there is an ABC key. So if you have your calculator in front of you, make sure you can find that A, B/C key. That is the most important key for fractions. Okay, how to do fractions. So 3/4, you would do 3, ABC key 4. So you could do that on your calculator now. Or you put 2.5 would be 2, ABC 1, ABC 2 to enter it into the calculator. So here is a part of a video that we are going to show you. So here's the calculator we use. That's the ABC key that you will use. So if I was going to put 1/3 into the calculator, I do 1, ABC, and then you get this little line shaped 3. That means, so it doesn't necessarily look like a fraction, but that means the same as 1/3. And you can see if you hit enter, then you get that 1/3. So if you are going to put in another number, let's say 5 3/4, you would do 5, then hit that ABC key, then 3, then you'd hit the ABC key, and then 4. Okay, it's the same as 5 3/4. Now, and you can see it comes up with this little U. So the 5 3/4, how it separates the whole number from the fraction. So you can hit the clear button. So here is another one like we're going to add. So to put that in the calculator, I'd hit 1, ABC key 3, plus 3, ABC key 4. And then I hit that equal enter button, and I'd get 1 1/2. Okay, so going back to our presentation, here are 2 adding problems. Now remember, this would work with any operation, but write these down in your notebook, do them on the calculator, and write the answer. So you'd pause the video. Then, once you have done that, unpause the video and you would have the answer. Okay, so here are the answers for those two problems. Okay, if you did not get them correct, you'd want to check with Miss Dahlstrom to make sure that you're doing them correctly. Okay, once you've figured out how to do them on the calculator and you found the ABC key, then you can get the practice sheet and practice doing these on the calculator.